What is going on, good people? So what you are seeing behind me is not thriving ryegrass as I had planned. Y'all know I planted the ryegrass last fall. It looked amazing. It looked amazing through spring, but then I got hit with some disease pressure. Make sure you go check out that other video to understand what's going on with that part. But y'all know it is time for me to go to the dark side. That's right. We're about to bring some iron cutter Bermuda from MVP Genetics to the Elevated Lawnscapes headquarters. You all know that I've always said a lot more here recently that putting the proper grass type in the right climate and in the right places will yield a overall easier maintenance and a more productive lawn that you'll be happy with. So it's time for me to show and tell why I have those beliefs about Bermuda grass in the transition zone, specifically here in Maryland. What we're going to show is that it's going to take less watering, less inputs, less fungicides, more disease resistance, and also more drought tolerant than managing my cool season lawn that I've got all throughout the rest of the lawn. Therefore giving me a overall easier maintenance on this area. Yeah, it's smaller, but that's not the point. The point is the amount of inputs that has to go into it to keep it nice and thriving, and we're still gonna be real mowing. So in this video, I am going to go through the entire renovation process. So it may be one of those longer videos, but you're gonna get all the details, all the information of how I'm gonna do this renovation. So make sure you stick around to the end to get all the information, and check back here on the channel for the updates as we do the grow in. So it's time to go to the dark side and bring some iron cutter Bermuda to the Elevated Lawnscapes headquarters. It's time to get going. It's time to get sweaty. Let's get to it. So step one is going to be eliminating your existing lawn that you have. This was perennial ryegrass that I planted last fall. I went down with one round of what we like to call holy water, which is glyphosate, which is a non-selective herbicide to go ahead and eliminate the existing ryegrass here. Being that I am trying to utilize as many of the growing weeks as I can for the Bermuda to establish and grow in before the fall, only went down with one round about 10 days ago, and today we're gonna go ahead and get the Sprigs on the ground to get them going. I did not have any weeds in here at all, so it was not hard to get rid of this. But if you have a weedy area with a lot of weeds, I do recommend that you go down with multiple applications, either 2 or 3 applications about a week apart, maybe 2 weeks apart, to make sure that you're eliminating those weeds before starting your renovation. But we have now eliminated all of this, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step, which is gonna be getting our irrigation set up.